The hearing made Barrett popular with religious conservatives. Feinstein's and other senators' questioning was criticized by some Republicans and other observers, such as university presidents John I. Jenkins of the University of Notre Dame and Christopher Eisgruber of Princeton, as an improper inquiry into nominees' religious belief that employed an unconstitutional religious test for office. Others, such as Nan Aron, defended Feinstein's line of questioning. Barrett's nomination was supported by every law clerk she had worked with and all of her 49 faculty colleagues at Notre Dame Law School. 450 former students signed a letter to the Senate Judiciary Committee supporting her nomination. On October 5, 2017, the Senate Judiciary Committee voted 11-9 on party lines to recommend Barrett and report her nomination to the full Senate. On October 30th, the Senate invoked cloture by a vote of 54-42. It confirmed her by a vote of 55-43 on October 31st, with 3 Democrats, Joe Donnelly, Tim Kaine, and Joe Manchin, voting for her. She received her commission 2 days later. Barrett is the first woman to occupy an Indiana seat on the 7th Circuit. Lambda Legal, an LGBTQ civil rights organization, co-signed a letter with 26 other gay rights organizations opposing Barrett's nomination. The letter expressed doubts about her ability to separate faith from her rulings on LGBT matters. During her Senate hearing, Barrett was questioned about the landmark LGBTQ legal precedents such as Obergefell v. Hodges, United States v. Windsor, and Lawrence v. Texas. She said these cases are binding precedents that she intended to faithfully follow if confirmed to the appeals court as required by law. The letter Lambda Legal co-signed read, simply repeating that she would be bound by Supreme Court precedent does not illuminate, indeed it obfuscates, how Professor Barrett would interpret and apply precedent when faced with the sorts of dilemmas that, in her view, put Catholic judges in a bind. Questions related to the landmark Obergefell decision and the LGBTQ+ community came back before the U.S. Senate Judiciary Committee in October 2020, when Judge Barrett was under consideration to fill the U.S. Supreme Court seat vacated by the death of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg on September 18, 2020. Here, in her own words, is an apology from Judge Barrett in response to questions from Senator Mazie Hirono from Hawaii.